Hey guys, it's Kelly. Welcome back to the channel of chilled, relaxed plant content where we talk about our plants and we just try to learn the best way to grow them. If that sounds like something you're interested in, hit the subscribe button. Let's be plant friends. So today we are gonna venture out into the cold, go into my garage and check on the succulents that I have in the grow tent over there. We're gonna bring some water because I'm pretty sure I haven't watered them in a couple of months. So yeah, let's see how they're doing, and I guess fingers crossed they're all okay. I know some of them probably have died, but hopefully the majority of them are okay. So yeah, alrighty. Okay. Alright. And we are here. We have made it. We have not fallen or dropped anything. Alright, so we'll just do a quick overview of the plants. This is the garage, so it's just, you know, a garage. It's not that nice in here. It's just a garage. We have some plants down there. We got the big 3 trays right here. We have this guy. I guess he's kind of coming back. And then we have this guy, this little tray of succulents. They're doing better. I definitely had to move these guys in here for the winter because of lighting. And as you can see, like right here, let me zoom you in. Try to zoom you in. The plants are doing a lot better. And then, hopefully you can see. Look at that! They're doing so good. You can see a little bit of wrinkling. They are definitely due for some water. And yeah, so that's what we're going to do. I'll set you up and we'll just do a little time lapse of filling all these guys up. This guy did not make it. He's dead. But the guy back there, let me zoom you in again, is doing really well. Really well. Look at that. So, yeah. Let's get to watering. Alright, so these are all of the smaller succulents I'm going to show you. These are the guys we're going to mainly water. The other guys I don't think need watering. They're in plastic pots, so they retain water a little faster. But there is something really cool I want to show you. Alright, let the light adjust. Okay, so this is, ooh, what does that say? Sedum cerebolum October Daphne. I don't even think you could see that. But that's what it is. And look at this guy. Okay, so right here are some old blooms that I didn't even know happened or was going to happen. But right here, there are new blooms coming in. I am so excited. It looks like they have like a little hint of purple to them. It's hard to tell, but I'm going to be putting this guy right up front, blooms out, so that when it does bloom, hopefully I'm here and I could see it. But this is getting some nice sun stressing. I'm definitely also going to water this guy too. Each shelf has a heat mat, and just being this close to the light, there is a lot of heat coming off of here, so this guy feels really light. But these guys down here are still pretty heavy. The plants still look good. These guys I watered before bringing them in here, so I think they're also okay. Nothing looks wilted. There's some like older leaves, but they came in here looking like that, and I just haven't cleaned them up yet. And yeah, so I think that's all we're going to be doing, just watering those guys and then putting them back. Alright. Alright guys, so this is my little update on my outdoor succulents and how they are doing. The grow tent definitely helped them out. It's like a game changer with keeping all these succulents happy and alive. And yeah, I'm excited to see how they continue to grow. And then, I mean, just look at this. This guy is beautiful. Can I even look at that? I'm so excited to get more succulents, make more of these gardens, and have them all over my yard. Yeah. I will show you some of the succulents that I left outside, like the stone crops and stuff, the ones that are more hardy for my area. And I guess that'll be it. Alright, let's venture back outside. Alright, so this is just a quick pan overview of my little area. Everything over here is pretty much dead. We have a little bit of succulents still here and then on the thing, so I guess I'll show you these guys first. But yeah, these guys are doing okay. They're doing good. The hens and chicks are still alive. This guy got really stretched out, really funky looking. But they look good still. Pan on over. And it's a mess, I know. Spring will come and then I'll clean. But we have some of these guys still doing good. Everything I've put in here sedum wise or succulent wise has survived so far. So thank you for all of the tips from everybody telling me which ones can go outside and which ones should not be left outside. Greatly appreciated. And we're just doing a quick little pan over. These sedums have died back, but I know they come back each year. I have some planted in my front yard. The hens and chicks are still doing good. So yeah. Overall, still doing good. Alright, it's cold. Let's get inside. Alrighty guys, we are back inside my nice warm plant room. And those are how my succulents are doing. They're all doing pretty well. I definitely recommend a grow tent for something like that. I don't want a grow tent for like my everyday plants. I want them to live in my house. I want to be able to see them, come into the plant room, see them. But for like an overwintering type of deal or maybe even propagations, we'll see how the plants, how my veggies, I plan on putting my vegetables in there to start them. We'll see how those work out. And yeah, so let me know in the comments below. If you know any of the smaller 4-inch pot sedum names, let me know. Or succulents. I don't even know if they're sedums, but they're succulent. Let me know what those names are and other varieties that I could maybe keep outside year round. I'm in zone 7B, 7A, B. I don't really know the cutoff, but zone 7. And yeah. So until next time, relax. Plants. Peace out.